learn AI for beginners. Now, AI, like this ski run behind me, is and seems to be very daunting. There's so many different tools out there and apps and all these gurus trying to sell you their software and apps and AI apps that they have. It's overwhelming. So my first advice is to just start. That's number one. Learn to prompt, using ChatGPT or Claude, Perplexity, what have you. Just start small. Have it help you out with little small tasks. And then, you can move on to more complex automations. Look at any of your manual tasks that you are doing today, you or your employees are doing today, and set up quick, easy automations for social media posts, blogs, what have you. And then you can look at also your marketing, look at your lead generation, your funnels. What needs to be improved? What are your problems? And this is where Ecno Digital can come in, because we can partner with you and help solve those problems with you. It should not be overwhelming. We're here to help you out. So click the link in our bio. We can go through a full audit of your business to find what your problems are and also what are the best outcomes that we can tackle first for you together. So click the link. Let us know. And if you have questions, let us know in the comments. Thanks.